What is up, everybody? DanDanTheFireman here. Today, we're going to be going over this really weird crash. Supposedly, before this happened, there were some words exchanged, some fingers being flipped off everywhere, and then the car driver decided to do this dumb stuff. Thankfully, the motorcycle rider was able to stay upright, but I kind of want to talk about ego, mindset, and then creating safety for yourself, all right? So let's go ahead and watch this and see what happens. All right, so we're moving forward, and just right away, what I can see is this is an X grip, even though it's a terrible pixelated mess right here, and it should be a rock form. Using code DanDan25, getting yourself a motorcycle mount and a phone case, but with 25% off, you're gonna get a good deal, and they ship super fast. I absolutely love it. I have mine right here. Love my thing. I use it in all my videos. Anyways, let's go ahead and keep going. All right, so right here, we're gonna be moving forward. This person supposedly in the front had some issues, passed them, and then it went over to the side, and it almost looks like this was intentional. So this is one of those scary situations where the car driver has bad intentions, okay? And this is why I choose never to interact with other drivers in a negative light. I will always say I am sorry, and I always give the right of way to other vehicles on the road. And it's only because I don't know what's going on in these people's heads. I don't know what stress levels they are. I don't know how evil some people can be, but you never know. So I don't want to take that chance. So I'm always going to kind of keep my emotions intact inside and yell inside my helmet. But right here, we're going to be moving forward. And this is where I want to talk to you about creating your own safety. This is where you should never, ever shoot that gap. This guy is not even all the way out of the lane, and you already had a bad interaction. And then on top of that, he still hasn't made a decision. If there was no bad intention, he is moving into a lane right behind a vehicle or close to a semi, and a lot of car drivers don't like doing that. So he might change his mind anyways if it was innocent. But right here, I don't know if it was innocent or not. I think he was letting the guy get in so he can do what he's about to do. So in this situation, as a motorcycle rider, still don't do it because, like I said, he has not made a decision yet. Until he's in the lane all the way, do not pass him yet, okay? Because you never know. He might change his mind, knock you off, especially in this guardrail. That's no buenos, okay? So we're moving forward, and there's the swerve into you. This is where I say it's pretty dang lucky that he kept it upright, because once you hit your handlebars, it's you never know. You're going to dump the bike. It might have smashed that front brake lever and then really dumped it. You never know. So you got to be very careful. So we're moving forward just a little bit more, and thankfully he kept it up. And that's going to be the biggest thing here, is that making sure that you can keep it up even after a collision is good, because then you're able to pull off to the side of the road in a safer environment and do a double check. But the main thing here is preventing it, okay? Be a smart rider here. Look for these situational hazards. Make sure you practice fundamental skills. Wear full gear, which he looks like he's doing. Rescue other. I don't think there's any rescuing, and teaching and mentoring others. So this is almost like a 3 out of 5 on this one. I don't think the situation awareness was the best. I won't give you that point, but you're wearing full gear and you're doing what you possibly can in the situation. Next time, just go ahead and focus on what is actually there for you. You don't have a good lane. You don't have much, and there was ego involved, all these different problems, okay? So let's go and bring it down just a little bit. Wait, be patient, be humble, concede your spot if you have to, ride defensively and aggressively when you have to, but be a smart rider. That's the biggest thing there, okay, guys? Also, check out Rock Forms. Really good stuff.